Did you know Indigenous peoples represent 4.5% of the Canadian adult population, but 26.3% of new admissions to federal prison? Compared to non-Indigenous offenders, Indigenous offenders are overrepresented among those in administrative segregation, released later in their sentence, and among parole revocations. There is similar overrepresentation of Indigenous peoples in the United States, Australia, and New Zealand. Although the culture and experiences of Indigenous groups vary, they face similar challenges in learning how to maximize the fairness and effectiveness of a European-imposed justice system. Almost all decisions in the criminal justice system are influenced by a formal or informal assessment of an individual's risk of reoffending. These roles include, but are not limited to, security classification, sentencing, and treatment. Risk assessments can be understood as a prognostic tool. Although practitioners make dichotomous decisions, risk exists along a continuum, where dangerous and not dangerous is a component of reoffending. Identifying strategies for reducing Indigenous overrepresentation is prioritized in the application of risk assessments. Existing risk assessment tools and core risk factors tend to predict recidivism better for non-Indigenous offenders, but worse for Indigenous offenders. Furthermore, Indigenous offenders are more likely to be classified as high risk. No risk assessment tool currently in use has been developed in a culturally informed way or has considered the possibility of culturally specific risk factors for Indigenous offenders. Culturally specific risk factors can be explained in terms of the historical and ongoing marginalization that Indigenous peoples experience. These risk factors have been cited to impact Indigenous people's social and economic status, making highly possible that they would also be related to criminal behavior. While this type of risk assessment research is new, it is clear that a more blended approach of culturally informed data collection is needed to explore the potential culturally specific risk factors of Indigenous peoples. To address this crucial gap in risk assessment research, I developed a culturally informed questionnaire whose questions focus on issues unique and disproportionate to Indigenous experiences in North America. The methodology and recruitment strategy for this study involves considerable attention to decolonizing methodologies and consultations with Indigenous stakeholders who have ample experience working with Indigenous peoples. Unlike previous research that has harmed Indigenous peoples, data collection practices will also demonstrate respect, reconciliation, and potential for transformation in our relationships with Indigenous peoples. Acknowledging the importance of culture in the justice system is the first step to rectifying the issues of inequitable justice for Indigenous offenders, and risk assessments might be our best solution.